Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is GM certified 2017 Chevy Cruze LT hatchback. Stock number X168XX. Only 14,000 miles and there's one owner. Clean auto check history report. Summer white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years of 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seats fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average 29 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 40% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.